Hello, in this lab we're working on lab 10.4.3, which is to secure access to a switch 2. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to increase the security on the switch in the networking closet by creating an access control list. You have been asked to prevent video game console from connecting to the switch. In this lab, your task is to create a Mac-based ACL named Game Console. Configure the Game Console Mac-based access control entry is setting as follows. So we have all our tags on the table: deny, allow, deny, deny, allow, before, deny any, deny any, deny any. Okay, so bind the game console ACL to all of the ID interface. Okay, so save the changes to the switch startup configuration file. Use the default settings. Alright, remember that this is lab 10.4.3, and let's go ahead and start up right away. If this video was too fast for you, remember that you can always pause the video and work at your own pace, because I'm trying to make this as short as possible. So we go to smart port and let's see, getting started rather. So getting started, let's go to MAC address bases here, and then game console, we apply this, close, and then game console is not there. So configure the game console Mac based access control entry setting as follows. Alright, so let's add deny, this is 00041F1111. Okay, address MAC 0000111. Okay, apply. Let's close this. We add, what are we adding? Deny, user defined, and this is going to be 05421111. 0001111. Click on OK. Close this. We add 3. Let's go 3. We deny this, user defined, and then we add the MAC address value 00003A1111, and this is going to be 000011111. Okay, so I will close and we'll go to 4. Console 4. Okay, deny this, user define no any, and MAC address is going to be 001351111, and it's going to be 000011111. Close. We add, and this is 5. Zero maybe 1 00000 11111. So we apply, we close, and then we go to, let's see, 5th. Well, we're working on 6 now. This user defined, and it's going to be 0125A11111 and 000001111 and apply. Then we close this. Okay, so I guess we're done with this. So let's see. Bind the game console. So let's go to 1 and edit, select, apply, game console, select, apply this, close this, copy settings 1.130 and save the changes to the switch startup. So we save here, we apply, click OK. Okay, so copy and save configuration done. We check answers. So if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. So let's go back and bind. We didn't bind the game console, so we'll go to the let's see, we need to bind the game console. We'll go to getting started. Okay, the HCP. Let's see, ACL binding port. Okay, so it's number 2, edit, MAC base, apply. 1, edit, select MAC base, apply, close. So game console now, copy 2, let's start, see. Let's see, we save this, we apply, click OK. So this is done. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.